So, guys, I am at Kingston Creative. It's in downtown Kingston, and I'm going to be doing the art walk. I'll just add their Instagram down below. The art walk is like art walk is literally like an hour tour, and yeah, I'm just gonna go around looking at some murals. I'm actually in the creative space right now. I'm gonna show you guys some few clips of how it is. It's literally like a co-worker space, so you have the option to rent and just come and do some work by a desk or by an area and just chill for the day. So I'm just gonna show you guys the little space here, and then I think the tour starts at 10 a.m. and it lasts for 1 hour. So yeah, I think they are ready. So let's show you guys the space. Very, very good. Like there are some cute art in there that I so love. If you guys don't know me now, you know. Like I love art. There's one specific one that I really like. I'm gonna show it to you now. That one over there. I like it. I like that one. All right. Yeah, let's go. Okay, also we're going to go into a bus right now. I guess we're gonna drive to the pickup point. Well, I'm not sure what exactly the tour is about, but yeah, we're going into a minibus right now, so let me show you. Yeah, going into this bus. There's a few people on the tour right now. Alright, so we're in the minibus now. Alright guys, so we're at the first stop at Town Art Center. So yeah, that's the first stop for the tour.
And therefore develop the artisan community within Trenchtown and within Jamaica. So without further ado, we're going to take a 10 to 15 minutes walk through, get to speak with him a bit more, any questions you have about his work, about his wife, and how the community, how his ceramic center has changed the community. Feel free to ask. Alright, so we're gonna go.
This thing has been started from my mom Jehovah me to come back home with her, but she's the one that really taught me this craft. The basics, and I've learned from other artists, and I've stepped up. From Balaclava, St. Elizabeth, this has been evolved from there.
Okay guys, so that was the gentleman that's in charge of Trenchtown Art Center. He does offer pottery classes, and you know, of course he sells them as well, so you guys can come and check it out. Yeah. So we are at our second stop, and it is, let me just double check, 41 Fleet Street. Murals are happening here. Let me show you guys.
Oh wow, this one is cute. Ooh. Oh, let me go where he's speaking. 2014. Yeah, 2014. And back over here. Lady named had Marina's Kitchen. That was, Camilla's Kitchen, and. They started the whole movement getting young muralists from here and actually trying to teach live in society, grow, love your neighbors, that kind of stuff. You have the education one over here that you come by touch countries. You have so many your own imagination, so by mathematics. Okay, guys, so we are at the third and final stop, and we're just walking to look at the murals here. This is the Irie Room Smoke Shop and Cafe. Oh my god. I have no idea about this.
Single the people, Portland, everyone together. And it's so funny, this lady, they all went there.
Alright guys, so we have finished with the city tour and all of that, and I'm at Escape right now. I'm just having some food, and that's Escape for the day. But the day today, the art walk was so, it was a great time today. I saw a lot of artists, expressions. It was a good day, so check them out, Kingston Creative, and what?
Yeah, 20 nights been sober. But I don't lose composure. Yeah, girl, my champion lover. Would you wait for me, girl? Yeah, 'cause now you they cross my mind.